Good morning, dear children. In my first session of class, I explained about grammar topic degrees of comparison. I talked about the definition of positive degree, comparative degree, superlative degree with examples. Example: good, better, best, bad, worse, worst, light, lighter, lightest, heavy, heavier, heaviest. For some adjectives, to make its comparative degree, to the root, if you add ER, it becomes comparative. EST, if you add, it becomes superlative. Light, positive degree. Lighter, add ER, comparative degree. EST, lightest, it is superlative degree. And for some words, to get its comparative and superlative, you have to add more and most. Beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. Interesting, more interesting, most interesting. Useful, more useful, most useful. Difficult, more difficult, most difficult. As many adjectives you can take and try at home and collect some more than 10 adjectives and give its comparative and try. You have to practice with different adjectives. Its comparative degree and superlative degree. Now in this second session of my class, I am going to teach you how to change the sentence which is in positive degree into comparative degree and then into superlative degree and vice versa. If the sentence is in comparative degree, how to change it into positive, how to change it into superlative. A question may appear if the sentence is in superlative degree, they can ask you to change this into positive degree or comparative degree. And now with examples, I will be teaching how to change positive into comparative, comparative into superlative in sentence wise. There are two patterns, children, in degrees of comparison. I will be teaching today in this class two patterns, two methods. There are two methods while changing. This is first pattern what I am teaching. First pattern in degrees of comparison is, can you see here, it's clear? Example, this is first pattern. I will give you 5-6 examples so that it will become easy for you to learn. First pattern example, can you see here? No other peak is as tall as Mount Everest. Which is the adjective here? Tall. Tall. This is positive degree. First learn to identify the degrees of comparison. First learn to identify the adjective in which degree it is. Tall is positive, taller is comparative, tallest is superlative. So this is in positive degree. No other peak is as tall as Mount Everest, positive degree. When you have to change into comparative, adjective will change into taller. Mount Everest is taller than any other peak in the world, comparative degree. Now you have to change into superlative, tall, taller, tallest. That is the highest degree of order. No other peak is there. It's only Mount Everest is the tallest peak in the world. Superlative degree, Mount Everest is the tallest mountain peak in the world. Anytime superlative degree, you have to use definite article the. Superlative degree, if it is highest, the highest. If it is deepest, the deepest. If it is most beautiful, the most beautiful. For example, rose is the most beautiful flower. For every superlative degree, you have to make use of the particular article, definite article, the. It is compulsory here. And in the comparative degree, compulsory you have to make use of the word than. Comparative degree, while comparing two persons or two things of same kind, while comparison takes place, you have to use the word than. And for superlative degree, you have to use definite article the. This is the form how to change positive into comparative, comparative into superlative. Now, blindly don't follow the same method. They may twist the question and ask you in the test. Then ask you, Mount Everest is taller than any other peak in the world. This comparative degree change into positive and superlative. Then you have to write no other peak is as tall as Mount Everest. Vice versa, you have to change that. Right. This is one example. I'll give another example. No other metal is as precious as gold. Precious is positive degree. Precious, more precious, most precious. You have to add for this word, not preciouser and preciousest. You have to add more and most. Precious, more precious, most precious. No other metal is as precious as gold. Change into comparative. Gold is more precious than any other metal. Change into superlative. Gold is the most precious metal. The most precious. Definite article the. Gold is the most precious metal. This is in second example. Third example. No other Pandava prince was as strong as Bhima. Strong, positive degree. Change into comparative and superlative. Bhima was stronger than any other Pandava prince. Stronger, strong, stronger, strongest. Comparative degree. Now superlative degree, how to change. Bhima was the strongest of all the Pandava princes. I will repeat this. No other Pandava prince was as strong as Bhima. Bhima was stronger than any other Pandava prince. Comparative degree. Superlative degree. Bhima was the strongest of all the Pandava princes. No other tree was as tall as Devdar in the Himalayas. Devdar is the tallest tree that grows in the Himalayas, snow-covered region. And the wood of that tree was used by the kings or people in those days. It's a sacred tree where we worship. It's a holy tree. And this wood was used to build temples in those days. And no other tree was as tall as Devdar in the Himalayas. Positive tall. Comparative is taller. Superlative is tallest. Devdar tree is taller than any other tree in the Himalayas. Superlative. Devdar is the tallest tree in the Himalayas. The tallest, that is superlative degree. Next, another example. No other ocean is as deep as Pacific Ocean. It is positive. Comparative. No other ocean is as deep as Pacific Ocean. Deep, comparative degree is deeper, superlative degree is deepest. Pacific Ocean is deeper than any other ocean in the world. Then what is the superlative degree? Pacific Ocean is the deepest ocean of all the oceans in the world. And then no other girl is as clever as Sahitya in the class. Clever, cleverer, cleverest. Sahitya is cleverer than any other girl in the class. Comparative. Then what is the superlative? Sahitya is the cleverest girl in the class. Clever, cleverer, cleverest. You should not say clever, more clever, most clever. Adjectives are wrong there. This is first degree, that is first pattern what I taught. Then you might be wondering or you might be thinking what will be the second method or second pattern. There is second pattern, you should not mix two methods and write. That method is different and this method is different. I will teach you with few examples about second method or second pattern of degrees of comparison. Sharda is more popular than most of the doctors in our village. This is second pattern, children. Positive degree. See, the pattern is not beginning with no other ocean, no other boy. Can you observe here? This positive degree begins with very few. Positive degree beginning with very few. Now there is example for pattern 2. Very few doctors are as popular as Sharda in our village. Popular, positive degree. What will be the comparative degree? More popular. What will be the superlative degree? Most popular, popular, more popular, most popular. Now change the degrees. How to change this pattern? Very few doctors are as popular as Sharda in our village. Positive degree. How to change into comparative? Sharda is more popular than most of the doctors in our village. Sharda is more popular than most of the doctors in our village. This is comparative degree. What will be the superlative degree for second pattern? Look here. Sharda is one of the most popular doctors in our village. More popular, most popular. This is superlative degree. Very few doctors are as popular as Sharda in our village. Positive. Change into comparative. Sharda is more popular than most of the doctors in our village. Change into superlative. Sharda is one of the most popular doctors in our village. One of the most popular doctor is wrong. You have to write their doctors. One of my favorite books. You can tell one of my favorite friends. Don't take it as friend. Sharda is one of the most popular doctors in the village. It has to come. This is the second pattern. I will give few examples for this. Just listen to me carefully. Very few kings were as great as Krishna Devaraya in South India. Very few kings were as great as Krishna Devaraya in South India. Great comparative degrees, greater. Superlative degrees, greatest. Now change now. Comparative degree. Krishna Devaraya was greater than most of the kings in South India. Then superlative degree. Krishna Devaraya was one of the greatest king in South India. I'll repeat. Very few kings were as great as Krishna Devaraya in South India. Comparative. Krishna Devaraya was greater than most of the kings in South India. Superlative. Krishna Devaraya was one of the greatest king in South India. This is one example. Second example. Very few girls are as intelligent as Sahitya. Intelligent, more intelligent, most intelligent. Very few girls are as intelligent as Sahitya. What is the comparative degree? Sahitya is more intelligent than most of the girls in the class. What is the superlative degree? Sahitya is the most intelligent girl in the class. Third example. Very few hill stations are as beautiful as Darjeeling. Beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. Darjeeling is more beautiful than any other hill station in our country. Then what is the superlative? Darjeeling is one of the most beautiful hill station in our country. This is the method you are going to follow for this second pattern, children. And I will have posted the video on degrees of comparison explaining the rules, how to apply grammar rules. Along with the video link, you will be getting assignment and you have to solve grammar exercise also. Along with that, I will have sent already notes to you. I think you have copied in your notes in separate 100 pages grammar notebook. Now after listening to my explanation on degrees of comparison, 2 videos will be there, and listen to that carefully, followed by assignment and solving grammar exercise. And have a good day, children. Thank you.